Mid-July, floods were around the horizon and a lot of the roads were closed. But it was Monday, our off day, and we wanted to set out seek some adventure. So the three of us set out looking to go somewhere and enjoy peak monsoon. As we met, we thought of 3 or 4 places and finalized on a waterfall. We had to take a longer route because the roads exiting Kolhapur were closed. So we started our ride from Kolhapur onto Bavda, Sadve Madre, then Bagbe, and then onto Ratnagiri road. Having done my engineering in Ratnagiri and being a frequent rider on this path till a few years back, I was surprised to see the massive ongoing road development. Bad roads, not a problem. The adventure just flies through. To reach Paleshwar, take a left in Malkapur on the Kolhapur-Ratnagiri highway, then a right just after crossing a big stream that is made by the Paleshwar dam itself. They say it's about the journey, not the destination. I think monsoon season fits perfectly to it. Dabdaba. The last part is a little bit off-road just before the waterfall. Wow. Wow. A warning to not attempt to enter the waterfall is in place. The beauty of the fall is in its intensity, the water thundering and setting off a cool mist enough to drench you standing meters away. And that makes it safe too. The view of the waterfalls and our motorcycles was a sight to behold. We sat for hours just enjoying the peace in the loudness of the falls. Finally, to our disliking, we had to leave. It was fun watching the people working in the paddies, kids and women working and enjoying in their farms. Yet again we rode through the same gravel-filled roads. I thoroughly enjoy these conditions, a lot credited to the Yezdi ADB. The flood waters had eased a bit on our return journey, and we took a moment to admire how farms had turned into sea of muddy water. A few moments later, we were greeted with the heaviest rain of the ride, drenching us beyond the layers of our so-called waterproof riding gears. And finally, we reached back to Kolhapur safely. All I think now is where to ride next in these rains. You can just either enjoy this video or actually go out there, ride and experience for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. I am Sagar and I'll see you in the next one.